Hey everyone, Sebastian here. Are you tired of feeling lost when you look at a trading chart? Do you dream of trading with confidence and finally seeing consistent profits? We've been there. We know the frustration of studying theory but not seeing real-world results. That's why Anina and I are so excited to announce the Amsterdam Trading Breakthrough Workshop. This isn't just another seminar, this is a fully immersive hands-on experience designed to transform your trading. We're talking practical skills you can use immediately, expert guidance, and proven mindset techniques to help you overcome those emotional barriers that are holding you back. You'll learn to confidently identify chart patterns, master precise entry and exit strategies, and manage risk like a pro. Plus, you'll get personalized feedback from Janina and myself right there in the room. We're limiting this workshop to just 10 participants to ensure everyone gets the attention they deserve. Seats are filling up fast, so don't miss the opportunity to finally unlock your trading potential. Click the link below to learn more and register now. We can't wait to see you in Amsterdam. See you guys!